Okay, I hope now you can see the topic that we are taking today, and the name is profit and loss. So you understand what is profit and what is loss. Can someone tell me what is profit and what is loss? बताइए जी, जरा फटाफट बताइए। तो प्रॉफिट होता कब है? आप सिंपल वे में सोचते हैं कि मान लीजिए आप कोई शॉपकीपर हैं और आपने 100 रुपीज की कोई चीज खरीदी है ना, और आप ऑब्वियसली चीज खुद के कंजम्पशन के लिए नहीं खरीद रहे, आप क्या चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू सेल इट टू समबडी। एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी बिजनेस, द एम इज टू मेक मनी, isn't it? So everybody wants to make money, and this making money is called actually the profit, right? So if you buy a thing for 100 rupees and you sell it to somebody, some customer, let's say for 110 rupees, so that means your transaction is positive, you have earned on it. So the difference, now there are two three things involved in here. One is you bought something for 100 rupees, and this thing, that will be your CP, cost price. First thing is your cost price. Okay, and then is your SP, that means selling price. So the example I have taken is your CP was rupees 100 and your selling price was rupees 110, that means rupees 110. So now your transaction is complete. Now we want to see whether we made a profit or a loss. So this difference will always be given by SP minus CP. That means you have to subtract your cost price from your selling price. And then if it is positive, the answer is positive, that means you have made profit. But there could be a case where this number could be negative, and then this will be known as loss. Is it clear now? Please tell me. You have to subtract cost price from your selling price, and that will give you either profit or loss depending on the amount you used. Now the example we took was 100 rupees you bought and for 110 you sold. So let's say this is our CP, this is our SP. So SP minus CP is 110 minus 100 is equal to 10 rupees, right? So our profit, and this is our profit because it is positive number. So this is our profit. Now, if I want to calculate profit percent, so profit percent is always calculated as the actual profit divided by your CP into 100. So please remember this formula. Profit percent is your profit over CP into 100. Similarly, if there is a loss, you can always calculate that as well. So loss percent will be loss over CP. So in numerator, there has to be CP in 200. So this will be the loss percent. Okay, is it clear? Do you know this formula? Or if you do not know, then please write it down in your
Yes.
copy and remember it for always.
So
In our transaction that we used, CP was 100, SP was 110. So what is the profit percent? It is clear. Actual profit is 10 rupees. Wait, Vandan, profit is 10 rupees. Your CP was also 100 rupees, and we have to multiply it with 100. So your answer is 10%. Is that clear? You bought a pen, let's say CP, let's give it a name as CP of pen is equal to 50. SP of pen is equal to, let's say, 60 rupees. So what is profit percent? Can you calculate? What is happening? We have to first calculate the profit. I am doing it deliberately very slow, right? Profit is SP minus CP, and that is 60 minus 50, and that is 10. Now I have to calculate the profit percent, and the formula is actual profit divided by CP into 100. Once again, I'm writing it. So profit is 10 rupees, CP is 50, and this 100. So answer is 20%. You can calculate this. So that's your answer. Profit is also sometimes known as gain. Profit and gain are used interchangeably. So it may be that you can get a question like, what is the gain percent? So do not get confused. Profit and gain are the same thing. All right. Let's say CP of an article is 30 rupees and SP is equal to 25 rupees. So you have tell me, gain, is there gain or loss, and what is the percentage of gain or loss percent? Can you calculate this? Question is clear, I hope. CP is 30 rupees, SP is 25. You have to tell me whether this transaction was in profit or loss, or if whatever case it is, you have to give me the percentage of that. Please calculate. So you can see this. CP, SP minus CP is your loss. Loss percent would be loss over CP into 100. And then this is the calculation for this. Okay. So question is, person A purchased a video game for rupees 850 and sold it for rupees 935. Find the gain percent. Please calculate. So let's see how to solve it. Your CP is 850. Your SP is 935. So gain, obviously it is gain because your selling price is higher. So gain is 935 minus 850. That is 85 rupees. So gain percent is gain over CP into 100. That's our formula for this. So 85 over 850 into 100, and that is 10%. Is that clear to everyone now? So question is, I bought a phone for rupees 3,500 and sold it for rupees 3080. What is my loss percent? Calculate. So what is CP for us? 3500. SP is 3080. So obviously there is a loss because SP is less than our CP. So loss is how much? 3080 minus 3500 rupees. That means rupees 420 negative, right? So there is a loss. This negative sign itself is showing that there is a loss. So loss percent is, my formula is loss over CP into 100. Now I can calculate that and this will come out as 12%. So our question is, Sia bought a PC for rupees 25,650. She also paid rupees 1350 for a minor repair. Then she sold it for rupees 28,700. Find her gain or loss percent. Calculate, please. So let's see. Here there are two transactions. One is you paid this much for the PC and this much for the repair. So actual CP would be 25650 plus 1350. So that is your actual CP, and that is 650 plus 350. That means 27,000 rupees. All right. Now your SP was 28,700. So obviously SP is larger than CP. That means there is a profit. So this thing is settled that yes, there is a profit. So what is profit? Profit is SP minus CP. 28,700 minus 27,000 rupees. That means 1,700 rupees. All right. So yeah, this is your profit. So profit percent is profit divided by CP into 100, and this goes. So this is 170 over 27, and that would be approximately 6.29%. So this is your answer. So now our question is, Faraz sells a toy for rupees 650, gaining 1/5 of its cost price. Find his gain percent. Calculate, try and do this. Okay, let's think it this way. Faraz is a very smart boy. Obviously he is. So he sells it for profit. And what is happening here? Here it is given that SP is 650 and gain is 1/5 of CP, isn't it? So if this gain, let's do one thing. Let the gain is, or let's do one thing. Let the CP is equal to X. Okay. If you take CP as X, so 1/5 of X is gain. So gain is what? X by 5. Now we know the gain, we know the CP, so we can straight away calculate percentage gain. And percentage gain is, what is gain over CP into 100. That means gain is your x by 5, CP is your x into 100, x cancels, that means 100 by 5, and that is 20%. Is that okay? You could understand that? Okay, now the question is, if the CP of 14 apples is the same as SP of 12 apples, find the gain. And this transaction has been done by Shreya. Okay, let's see if Shreya made a profit or not. And if yes, how much? So calculate. Let's see who does it. Okay, let's think it this way. It is given that CP of 14 apples is the same as SP of 12 apples. So let the cost of each apple is ₹1. Okay, so what will happen? Cost of 12 apples, or rather SP of 12 apples, right? So what will be the SP of 12 apples? This is equal to CP of 14 apples, right? And because each apple is costing you ₹1, so SP of 12 apples is ₹14. Okay, so now we know the selling price of 12 apples. So what is the CP of 12 apples? Each apple costs you ₹1. So CP is 12. So now on a transaction of ₹12, you earned how much? 14 rupees. So what is your profit? Profit is SP minus CP, that is 14 minus 12, and that is 2. And what is our profit? It's not our, it's Shreya's profit, right? Profit percent is 2 over 12 into 100, and that is 50 by 3 and 16.2 by 3 and 16.66%. Is that okay?